Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for 8 April 2021. So this analysis is for 8 April only. You'll see me tomorrow again with the analysis for 9 April. I bring videos on daily basis so that you get to stay ahead of the market and you do not miss the opportunities. And the main motto of this channel is to educate you, to make you understand where you should buy and why you should buy, where you should sell and why you should sell. The main motto is to make you a better trader. Therefore, my videos are boring, so please do not mind. My agenda is not bad. So please do subscribe to my channel if you're watching my videos for the first time, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of Euro USD right now, and as you can see, the chart is not that beautiful. Okay, as of now, we can see that if we just look at this particular portion, the chart is not that beautiful, though it is Euro USD, the most popular pair, but the chart is not that beautiful. Okay, now let's look at this chart. This is the overall chart of Euro USD for last 1.5 months. If you look at this chart, we can easily tell that yes, the overall trend of the market is towards the downside. Okay, market is towards the downside. It was trading below the 50 moving average, but now it has, let me take out the pencil, from this particular point it has crossed the 50 moving average and now trading here. And as we all know, we were expecting this particular move because I have already explained in my previous videos that why this move was about to come. Okay, so this was not something unexpected, and the answer is here again. This is the weekly chart of Euro USD. As you can see, and I have already explained in my previous videos that yes, Euro USD is about to get support from the 50 moving average in the weekly chart. This is the weekly chart. Okay, about to get support from the 50 MA plus this pivot line. Okay, so Euro USD receives support from 50 MA as well as pivot, twin support, dual support. That's why it bounced. Okay, that's why it bounced like that. So therefore, this is the support for the market right now. Okay, so let me draw a line here. So this is the support for the market right now. So in case you get market at this particular portion around 1.1710 level, then just wait for the price rejection from above below. Once you get the price rejection, it's a buy. Okay, but as of now market is far away from this particular level, then what should be your strategy? So you can see that market went up with great amount of volume and speed, but right now market is kind of struggling. Okay, and if I draw this triangle here, you can see that whenever market was trying to go up, okay, whenever market was trying to go up, it was getting resistance, it was coming down. 1, 2 and 3. So on 3 instances market failed. Okay, on 3 instances market failed to cover this particular cross this particular resistance level. Therefore this is a resistance, this level is a resistance for the market. Okay, I'm not saying the market is coming down because of this particular level. Okay, but if market goes up also market will be facing resistance here. So what should be a strategy for 8 April then? Okay, what should be a strategy? Let me switch to the 1 hour time frame once. I would like to show you one thing. So this is the 1 hour time frame, and you can see that market went up, took rest, again went up. Okay, and now the market is resting again. Okay, market went up again, the market faced some resistance and it is coming down. Okay, so one thing is very clear that, okay, looking at this chart, market rested at this level for a long time. This is the 1 hour chart. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Market rested in this level for at least 16 to 17 hours. Okay, 15 to 16 hours at least. So this is a very good support for the market. And now let's switch to the 4 hours time frame. Okay, just try to understand my points here. This is the level. Okay, therefore this is a support, this is a safe entry for us right now. This is a safe entry for us right now. And if you're thinking that you must enter here, then okay, just tell me one thing. If you enter here, okay, if you enter here, where will be the stop loss? Your stop loss will be somewhere around here. If your stop loss is here, and as I have already mentioned, this is your resistance. You can already see clearly on the chart. This is your resistance level. If this is your stop loss, this is your resistance, then your risk to reward ratio does not match. You are going against the discipline. You are just gambling your money. Okay, therefore, whenever you plan to buy or you want to buy, as I always say, you must look for the area of value. This is not the area of value because your risk to reward ratio does not match. You do not have a proper stop loss position. This is not your safe position. If you are a beginner, if you are trading with your hard earned money, then this is not your trade. This is not a position to trade. If you want to gamble, go ahead. Okay, your money may double also, but if you are trading with hard earned money, this is not your position. So what should be a strategy then? Your strategy can be wait for the market either to go up or wait for the market either to come down. When market will be going up, okay, and when market will enter this particular resistance level, just observe the price. If you see that market is reversing from here or after going up coming down, okay, then you can short the market. But do remember, confirmation is important. Okay, confirmation is important. And if you short the market, okay, if you short the market, either short at this particular level or at this level. Okay, in case market goes up, okay, in case market crosses this particular level, then do not short the market here. Short the market here, or if you find an opportunity here, you can short the market here. These two are the shorting position for you. Okay, as this is the resistance for the market right now. And if market comes down, then observe the price at this particular level, because this price level provided support to the market for 15-16 hours, then we can expect that uh, this level will provide support to the market again. So if market comes down, just observe the price and see how the price reacts. If you see that yes, this is still a valid support for the market and market is about to bounce from here, you can buy just above this line. So this is your first entry position, this is your second entry position for you. Okay, these two are the area of values for you. This is, yes, market went up, but this is not your area of value, because you'll be gambling your hard-earned money. Because if you enter here, your stop loss cannot be here, your take profit target cannot be smaller than the stop loss. So wait for the market to come to you. You do not chase the market, let the price come to you. Okay, you need to follow some discipline if you want to become a better trader. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked my video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. This analysis from my own point of view. If your analysis and point of view varies, then please mention it in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, and see you tomorrow again.